Yahweh afflicted Pharaoh and his house with great plagues because of Sarai, Abram's wife. Pharaoh called Abram and said, "What is this that you have done to me? Why didn't you tell me that she was your wife? Why did you say she is my sister, so that I took her to be my wife? Now therefore see your wife, take her and go your way." Pharaoh commanded men concerning him, and they escorted him away with his wife and all that he had.